Yeah, hi friends. Today I'll tell you how to set your pressure network catalog. So when you open Civil 3D, then there is an option you see on the screen, create design. So when you click on the create design, then you will see here there is a tab which reflects set pressure network catalog. So you just click on this one. When you click on this one, then you have to see here this is the folder catalog folder where the files are placed, and these are the catalog database files. So there are multiple types of materials, so with which we can create the pressure network. So if you know, like there is a PVC pipe, there is a steel for steel material, like the various kind of different type of materials. So ductile iron, polyethylene, etc. So if from here you can choose any of the one. Like right now I'll choose PVC, and this is the, if you will click there, then you will get the path where you can find the folders. So these are the folders in which the base files are created already by the Autodesk. So and this is the location where you can get and check that uh, catalog folders. So they are on the C drive in your system, then program data, Autodesk, Civil 3D, ENU, and then pressure pipe catalog. In the next video, I'll tell you how to create pressure network, how to edit the catalog files, and how you create your own as per the requirement of your project. So keep watching, continue, and please subscribe. Thanks a lot.